Alright guys, welcome back to another video. So today what I'm going to be doing is finally trying to restore these headlights a bit. I'll try to get a good picture, but this one you can clearly see how bad it is. The only thing, once I clear these, you're going to see my headlights broken. I bought this toothpaste for $3, 2 toothbrushes for $3. So yeah, as you can see there, the headlights are super foggy, but we're gonna fix it. Alright guys, so I probably scrubbed away at that for a good 10 minutes. And the toothpaste was so thick that I had to go get a bucket of water. I used warm water. And I just, so that way I can actually, you know, because the toothbrush was just sticking right to it. I couldn't get any cleaning motion out of it. So I'm gonna go ahead, clean them off with some water and see how it turns out. Wow, can't believe how good of a job that did. I'm gonna wait for it to dry a bit more because it's still kind of wet, so it does look probably clearer than it's gonna once it's dried up. 100 times better, 100 times better for sure. You can tell here. I'm gonna wax them too after. So I was always kind of curious. I didn't think the toothpaste would work, but for a few bucks and 20 minutes of my time, 100 times better. Just wanted a quick fix. And I'm going to take the headlights off the parts car and kind of get some custom headlights going into this. So until I can afford the jewel eyes, first we're gonna do performance, so I don't want to spend money on jewel eyes. I definitely want that grill though. I can do that myself probably for 500 bucks if I can find a grill. Yeah, so the toothpaste splattered everywhere, so I am gonna wash this off and it'll be good. And coming to this side, as you can see, way better. So I applied a little wax to it. Look at that, guys. This one I didn't apply a wax yet. But this is what the that one on the right looked like before I applied the wax. I do need to get some new taillight tint. Starting to peel where it bubbled, unfortunately. But I might just take these apart and paint them, I'm not sure. So A-Spec kit, got the tire shine on this time for the video. And yeah, side A-Spec kit. I applied a little bit of wax, but that's another video too. So I am gonna put the front A-Spec kit next weekend, so stay tuned guys. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you hit that like button. Feel free to comment, share, and subscribe. I will see you next time. Thanks. Bye. I guess I could give you a little rev up.